My shipment from Sephora came. I've been waiting for this package to come through the mail, and it came yesterday, so I'm filming this video today. This is just the first batch. I did order a couple products. When did I order a couple products? Ordered a couple products yesterday, so it won't be included in this video, but towards the end I will show you the other 3 to 4 products that I did add into this. Now all of these products are products that I have not used, that I've been wanting to try so badly, and this Sephora VIB sale was the perfect time to get everything that I wanted to try, all of that good stuff. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys that I purchased is from the Inky List. This is their oat cleansing balm. So I wanted to try this, and I probably would try this today when it's time for me to take off my makeup. But this is best for normal and sensitive skin. It helps remove makeup and cleanses sensitive skin. Now I don't think I have sensitive skin, but I still feel like this product will be good for me. So this is the box here, and this is the oat cleansing balm. You can use this day or night. Gently massage a small amount into a dampened face, neck, rinse thoroughly with water. So I will probably use this as to remove my makeup, and then I'll cleanse with my Paula's Choice. So I like to double cleanse when I have makeup on, so I can't wait to just see how this works. I may record it, I may not, but if I do, you guys will see the video. Next, I got this Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Moisture Repair Balm Serum. So this is my first product I'm trying from Danessa Myricks. I always kind of liked when I seen her products. I always liked them, but they were so expensive to me, especially the eyeshadow palettes. But again, like I said, this is a splurge. The packaging is beautiful, and I love that it has the spatula as well, so that is cute. So it says this is an intensely moisturizing, fragrance-free balm to serum treatment that hydrates, repairs, and soothes, with our moisture repair complex, a blend of 16 nourishing ingredients to transfer the skin's barrier. I love a nice skincare product, so I definitely can't wait to try this today. This looks so beautiful, so nice. And you can use this on the face, on the body. It has a light smell, nothing like overpowering. It doesn't stink. But I can't wait to try this evening. Now I've been seeing this a lot. This is the Refi Primer. Again, I've been wanting to try this. I always felt like certain products are just out my price range. I try to stay within, even though Sephora is kind of expensive, I do like to stay within the affordable range. But again, we trying new products this year. 2024 is all new products. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. This is the roller. So I can't wait to try this and see how I like it in my next makeup video. Next, I got this Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch Pressed Brightening and Setting Powder. I got it in the shade Blondie. So again, this is something that was just sitting in my cart. I'm I want to get into like the brighter under eye, not too bright, but you know, just trying to expand my range in when it comes to my makeup. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice little cute simple black packaging. So this is nice. So I can't wait to try this. This is what the shade is looking like, if you guys can see it. So I got the House Labs blush. This is in Fire Moon. Now I was looking at somebody's makeup tutorial and they happened to use this blush and I fell in love with this blush. Now I don't like a too bright blush or like super pinks. I kind of like tone down like the blush I'm wearing now. Like it just blends and melts into my skin. That's what I was looking for. That's what she had and I had to pick it up. Now I'm not gonna lie, I thought the packaging was a little bigger. Like I thought it would have been like the size of this, if I'm being honest. But this is she, and look at this beautiful, oh my god, this beautiful shade. So beautiful. Oh, y'all just don't know. I cannot wait to try that. So I got the Givenchy, whatever y'all prefer to call it. Givenchy is what I'm gonna call it. This is the Prism Libre setting powder. So I got the mini, but I heard a lot of great things about it. So I got the medium to deep shade, which is Popeline Mimosa. I hope I'm saying it correctly. But this is the packaging. This is the front. This is how the back looks. It's really nice and cute. You can see the different powders. And it comes with a puff. So this is what it looks like. So like I said, I've heard great reviews about this. I got the mini to just see if it works for me, if I like it. If I do, I'm definitely going to get the big boy. Definitely. So next I got this Rare Beauty Positive Light Liquid Luminizer. This is the mini and it's in the shade Flaunt, I believe. So looks like that. And this is what it looks like as well. So it's small. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's nice little golden bronzy shade. Not sure if you guys can pick it up, but it is a nice little shade. Next I have 3 concealers from Hourglass. I've been wanting to try Hourglass for a very long time, since I was been working at Sephora. But again, too pricey. But I got the minis. And I have the shade Dune, I have the shade Beach, and then I have the shade Fawn. So I was watching someone on TikTok, and she used these, well, one shade is off, but she used 2 out of the 3 shades that I have. So like one that was her closer to her skin tone, one a little lighter, and then she had another lighter one that was brightening. And I really loved how her makeup blended, and I wanted to try it out myself. So I'm gonna open one up just so you guys can see what the minis look like. This shade is Fawn, which is like, this would definitely be like my highlight shade. So this is what a mini looks like. This is the applicator. So, but I wanted to get, when it was our turn, because I ain't rouge, so when the VIB was able to go, I had one of the shades that I had in the big size, the average size, and it was sold out. So I had to just get the mini, but don't worry. After the sale, I'm definitely coming back for it. So I have 2 more products. I have this Anastasia lip gloss. This is in Cantaloupe. The shade that I wanted was sold out. I can't remember what it was, but I love nudes. I love pinky nudes. I love all of that. So this is the shade here. I want to try it out. So and it smells so good. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh, y'all, this is pretty. You might have to do my whole little lip combo over. But that's really, really, really nice. I love that. And last, I did get a fragrance. This is Life of the Party by 5 Cents. This is their travel. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys are picking it up, but this is the, so let's try it. Oh, that smells really good. So I think these are the notes. This has black currant, peach, blossom, saffron, midnight, jasmine, and ambrox. I hope I'm saying that right. Wow, this smells really good. I may have to get the big size when this runs out. This smell is like up my alley. I love, like, I don't love overpowering fruity smells, but I love fruity smells, floral smells. Like, I love those type of smells. Those are like everyday type fragrance to me. And this is nice, and I could just pop this in my purse and just be on the go. Love, love, love it. So guys, this is the end of this Sephora haul, but I do wanted to show you guys what additional things that I got that won't make it into this video. So let me just go on the app really quick. So I did get the Givenchy Prism Leap Loose Powder Blush, and I got the shade Orgasm. Oh God. Organza Sienna, which is brick red and burnt sienna. This is what the shade looks like. Or if not, I'll just put a picture in because I'm not sure if it's picking up this shade. But yeah, I think I'll just insert a picture for the other things, the things that I did get. Also, I did get another perfume. I got the Kayali Eden Sparkling Lychee. I don't know, I'm sorry. I got it in the mini. Well, I got it in this size, but this is what it looks like. And I thought this was so, like, I thought we're going to, well, according to the reviews, it sounded like this was a good fragrance. So I got it. And then the last thing I picked up was, I saw this on, I think I saw this on IG, but I love a good lip. That's one of my favorite parts of makeup. So I had got the Huda Beauty 90s Brown Lip Liner and Lip Gloss set. And this is what that looks like. Now, when I saw a picture of them lips, I was just like, oh, yeah, I want my lips like that. Yeah, y'all, I want my lips like that. And it just comes with the faux filler gloss in glassy, which is the clear, and then it also comes with the lip contouring 2.0 warm brown lip liner. Yeah, so yeah, I want my lips like that, nice and glossy. But yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. That's pretty much all I got in the Sephora VIB sale. So let me know down below in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products, or if you have any other recommendations on what I should pick up. Also, if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.